I just wanted to say that it can be absolutely mind-bogglingly, mind-bogglingly frustrating how many things you need to pay attention to when you're shooting a bloody video of yourself. It's like, when you're recording, it's one thing, like audio, acoustic treatment. Yes, you can basically listen on like how things sound. You can try to control the ugly, slushy sounds that your mouth produces while you talk. Yes, you can try to make a little bit less of them. But then, when you compound on top of that the visual presentation of your stupid bloody face, because for some reason it happens to be important that you do incorporate it, for some reason. Point number 1. Am I shaved? Do I have like some kind of ugly stubble showing? Is the stubble acceptable, or maybe should I actually shave at this point already? Point number 2. Is my hair alright? Point number 3. Is my hair in like appropriate kind of styling? Point number 4. Oh yes, that's the point that actually killed me today. Point number 4 is my face shiny? I checked, and right now it isn't, but I shot one beautiful presentation. Like 10 minutes of talking, basically. The talking was good. The presentation was decent. Like, body language, all that. Lighting was all right. Most of the things were all right. I was in focus. And my face was just beautifully plasticky. It's like it had like that fresh layer of oil put on top of it. And I realized that only after copying the file over to my computer. Yes. Because of course that's how it would happen. So, yeah, shooting videos of yourself, if you are actually attempting to do it kinda sorta well, it can be hell. Hey. Like this video, where I decided to use the camera setup that I use for presentation, where my face takes up only like a fragment of the screen. But I am too lazy to put a different lens and recompose the shot, and I just decided to occupy pretty much all of the space, all of the visual space that you can see with my annoying facial apparition. Yes. That's clearly what you wanted in your day, was it not? So, this is basically just a video of me venting my frustration. It's nothing more. Maybe it is an advice to you through, that you should start shooting videos of yourself because it will increase your self-consciousness. And it will probably make you look a little bit less ugly as a result. Because you will be actually kind of paying a little bit more attention to what visuals you actually represent, how you reflect the light of your persona. Yes. Yeah, so that whole preparation that they do on the people, like before interviewing them in TV, that they put like that powdery thing on their face, like to make their face a little bit less reflective. it's not like I'm going to do. It's not like I'm going to go to those lengths, but certainly wiping yourself off before you start filming might be a good idea. As like the final moment, like, okay, I'm going to press record. How about I clear my throat and wipe my face? Now that I present it like this, it sounds kind of stupid, but it would have saved me today. So maybe it ain't stupid. And if you are actually into video presentation, then you probably already know all those things. So I'm not going to be pretending to be useful now to anyone. Except my own self, because as I have mentioned, this is basically one big prolonged venting video, yes.